Good morning, and look at this beautiful weather here in Scotland, and we're getting ready to rock and roll. We're leaving here today from Gretna Green, and we're going to catch the ferry at Dunoon, cross over, get into the Highlands, and sleep in Oban tonight. At least that's the plan. Everybody's doing their stretches and getting ready. We're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing Brian, and I'm tailing Charlie today, and hopefully today there will be a meeting with somebody very special en route. So if you want to see that, watch the rest of the video. I'll catch you later. And here we are, we're off the motorway and we're in South Lanarkshire, and yeah, we're making our way now cross country to Dunoon, where we will catch the ferry. Oh wow, what a beautiful view. What a road. Absolutely stunning, Scotland so far, and it's only, well, day one in Scotland, day two of the tour. Lovely. Now we're in Wanlockhead, and the sign outside said Wanlockhead, the highest village in Scotland, and I don't think they mean illicit drugs or alcohol. The road's terrible. Potholes. After riding through some more absolutely stunning scenery and lots of obligatory photo stops and rest stops, we ended up stopping for lunch at the Ayrshire Food Hub, where we waited for the arrival of a very special motorboat. Look at this, it's brilliant. Look who's joined us today. It's Lockwood. It's going to ride with us to all the way to Dunoon from here. What a gentleman. Look, it never rains in Scotland as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, Lockwood came, made the effort, came to meet us at the little farm shop where we just stopped. And what a lovely chap. That sounds fruity. Look at that. Scotland's got mountains, wars, passes, and the beautiful sea as well. Stupendous. Largs. Welcome to Largs, the center of the biking universe in this part of the world, at least. It's like that finching field where people can come from, sort of Essex, East London. I've seen Largs in so many videos from like Lockwood and Socky Balls and others. So it's great to be visiting here at last. Ah, what a shame. We have traffic. This would have been fun without the traffic. Do that again. Very nice.
Turn the engine off with the wait for you too.
I haven't seen much of this machine on the channel.
No, you've not, no. I've only had it a year.
They're too tall for me.
What's that?
They're too tall for me.
Yeah, they are quite tall.
I can't. Oh, sorry.
How you guys going?
Mind the car.
Go.
Push in, yeah?
No. Can't make you come back on the bloody road.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello YouTube. Where have you guys come from?
London.
Sorry?
London.
London? What, today?
No, yesterday. Gretna Green today.
Gretna Green today, alright.
We're on our way to Oban.
Alright, yeah, I'll be with the rest of the guys here.
Yeah, we're together. What a fantastic, brilliant day it's been so far. Met up with Lockwood, had some lovely food at a cafe, rode past Largs, got on the ferry to Dunoon. Yeah, now we're on our way to Oban, and we've been riding by the loch. It's absolutely stunning, very beautiful, fantastic roads, loving it, absolutely loving it. Thanks for coming along with me, guys. This is brilliant. This is all I expected. And look at the weather. Look at the views. The smell from that, wonderful. Love it. We We are here in Oban, and look at that VMAX. It's been quite a long day in the saddle. A lot of miles, over 260 miles today, but all very enjoyable national speed limit roads with scrumptious bends. Now I'm just trying to find where we're supposed to go for the accommodation. We're staying at the youth hostel, I believe. So bunk beds all round, I guess. Can I not park there? I was going to stick it in there.
Sorry?
I was going to stick mine in there.
Yours is there. I'll just cut the corner off when it wants to get out.